Wait a minute, wasn't there a dog there? Please, ma'am, tell me that you haven't seen a ghost dog around. Yeah, I think I did see one, actually. Oh, no, what have I done? What's the problem with seeing a ghost dog? It's an omen. You're gonna die a slow and painful death. I'm not gonna die a slow and painful death. What is wrong with you? I'm about to go out on the water on a boat. What's wrong with that? A lot of stuff. Nothing is wrong with going out on a boat in the water. You're just so paranoid. These people, they're so paranoid. It's not like anything bad's gonna happen to them. Breaking news, you guys! We just got a report that Princess Daisy was killed in a boat explosion. And the reason I'm not wearing a shirt is because I just woke up. Because the news reporter crew wanted me to come and do this. So, yeah. Oh, I got paid extra, too. So, any further information can be found at the Chief of Police office. And no, his name is not Chief Brody from Jaws. Thank you. Good night. I tried to warn her. Wait a minute. Wasn't that ghost dog? Give me all your money. No, wait, please. I have no money. I have none. Wait a minute.